vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will back at you with another video. Just touched down Easton, Maryland at Harrison Custom Cycles. They got an open house event today, doing some dyno shootouts, checking horsepower and all that stuff on bikes. Got some pit beef, a bunch of other vendors and stuff. Zippers is out here, local vendors. Nice setup. We got food, drinks. Let's check the place out and see what all's going on today. The man himself.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, brother, how you doing?
Not too bad, not too bad.
How the bikes looking out here?
Great.
Great.
Busy, moving along.
Yep.
Get ready for the big shootout.
What are you doing now? Just dyno pulls or
Just
dyno pulls? Yep. Oh look, Bad Boy Cycles. My buddy Eric just got a Bad Boys cycle seat. Look nice. You did any numbers yet or not yet? Not yet.
Yeah, well, we did it a while back. Will, this is Doug.
Yeah, Julie. Yeah, Julie just introduced us.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Uh, 135 CVO. He just did a pull on. So he said 165 horse and 164 torque. Thing's a beast. Thing sounds really good. Any of you guys need some tuning and stuff done on your bike, man, Bob's a really good guy. Been tuning for a long time. I don't know if you checked out the video I posted on the channel a few months back, but really good dude, man. Like, aside from the tuning and stuff, he's just a genuine guy. Always willing to help, even if you're not spending any money, like answers any questions and stuff you may have. Really good dude, man. But if you need tuning or whatever, hit up Harrison's just to get in contact with him. And yeah, get your bikes running right. Really nice shop they got here too. Looks like the weather's getting a little bit better. Sun done came out. Bikes and stuff are pulling up more, but well, more bikes are pulling up. But I'm probably gonna get out of this one. Go on ahead and get out of here. About an hour and a half, 2 hours from home. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Bands playing, they got food. Vendors here, Dyno Shootouts going in there, Bob working the dyno, doing pools and stuff. They handing out trophies and stuff later on. Unfortunately, I'm probably gonna get out of here. So that being said, appreciate you guys always supporting the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Tap that little icon bell. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.